The WBCA Stars and Stripes Air Show Spectacular, sponsored by Miller Lite.
We are very fortunate to have an air show of this caliber in Laredo, and it would not be possible without all the support of our title sponsor, Miller Lite, as well as our event sponsor, Falcon International Bank.
It is a great honor to be here today and be the air marshal of this wonderful event in this great city, one of my favorite cities in the United States of America, Laredo, Texas. Full afterburner. There's the climb. Let the joint get deep. And then from cover or stop. Set. Don't peek. Ladies and gentlemen, get peek. He gets right back to his boat. He's going to flip the airplane back over. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the fourth roll. Up and over the top into a left 9-inch spin. Holds it on the propeller back into a torque roll.
The WBCA Stars and Stripes Air Show Spectacular, sponsored by Miller Lite.
Here we go. Right.
Additional sponsors: Falcon International Bank. In-kind sponsor: Rudy's Barbecue.